Hello everyone, I am Vishali and I am going to give you a dictation of 400 words passage at the speed of 100 words per minute. So get ready. 1, 2, 3, go. Mr. Chairman, Sir, I would like to say that we can serve the nation, but we do not intend to. Full stop. Our communist friends are here. Full stop. I want to say that today, in every industry, such a mentality is adopted that opt for strike, and until that is done, our leadership is not going to survive, such an atmosphere prevails that on every small issue, tools are down and the factory is closed down. Full stop. They just do not try to understand that some talks can solve the problems, that this is at all a proper way for this. Full stop. The leaders expect their leadership to fully bloom on the wages of closer of 2 or 3 months. Full stop. They wish some workers be terminated as they could get workers for their party. Full stop. It results in greater strikes over smaller issues. Full stop. If this happens on some genuine issue, some genuine problems, then the entire country will be going to support you. But what mentality you work with is that let's care not a fig, as this is a government public undertaking. Full stop. It resulted in the sickness of industries, and we have sorted out some factors for that. Full stop. Para. Mr. Chairman, Sir, our government industry have failed, still they want to remain being funded by the government, but how long can the government waste their money with them, and that too only because of our favoring the public sector and sticking to that? Question mark. I want to mention that this money belongs not to the government, but to the common man of India, the taxpayer who pays it honestly, full stop, should not throw this expensive penny into the hole and waste it, have you ever calculated that what and how much return would be on the money invested on public undertakings, and if the investment is increased in case of its sickness, would it be fetch the desired turnover? Question mark. It is not so that if some 20 or 30 crores more are given, the industry will start functioning. Full stop. The question is that, that whether the loss can be compensated with an extra hyphen investment of 20, 30 or 50 crores, and can the industry start functioning? Question mark. If it is so, well and good, but unfortunately it is not so, because an extra hyphen investment, the loss would increase and so would the retrenchment, full stop. Therefore, comma, the public hyphen money is not to be wasted, comma, no more wastage on this, full stop. Thank you.